selling it.
I'm Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs.
No, this is coming along good. So today, as you can see, we put the box on, we fit it, and I used one of my universal spacers. That is actually a transmission mount.
Well, you used many of them.
Oh, I've used them on every project. They
No,
work
I'm
perfect.
just saying, I see like, I don't know how many, yeah.
8 of them. I had 6 in inventory, so I bought 8 to replace the ones I had in inventory. And then we have new cab mounts coming in tomorrow. Make sure they are what they are. But it's coming together. I mean, we saw the front end on it earlier this week. Now we're seeing the rear end on it. We haven't seen it together since we've started the project, but it's going well. Going well.
To really soak it with heat. No, they ain't going nowhere.
Right.
Might be stronger than the bumper.
Hi, what?
I said it might just be stronger than your bumper.
Yes. Here, I'll tap on it.
You ever seen videos of people that like
Is that like a, what do they call
the
it?
mixed drink to go thing?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
When people take their washer fluid thing and put a little, like rum,
Right.
and they have it right there, and it's like.
So it's not really a gas tank, it's a, what do they call those? The little hand...
Canteen.
A keg.
No. Okay, nobody knows my word.
It's a vodka container.
Vodka container.
It's a big ass container.
Well, this one will be for water or gas
Or vodka.
or vodka. The one on the other side will be something other than this one. But yeah, that'll go right there. I think it should face backwards. So shit coming off the wheels.
Yeah.
Have less chance to hit this.
What are, oh. The little hooks right there, that's to put like a bungee over the top of it or what?
No, it's strapped
Hold it
in.
Oh. What are these then? Right here.
That's for a different container, I think. So that comes off, comes out. So this is what we have to mount to that. I'll probably put rubber. Right here. So that'll get mounted right.
Flask. That's what I was trying to say. A
This is-
flask.
this
It's
is-
a huge ass flask. That's what came to my brain. Like right now,
to
I
see
was
what-
like having a brain fart
Love
there
to
for
see
a little
what
bit.
pocket that goes in. A flask.
What are you doing?
Well, we had a roll bar built for this. We're gonna have it this high. So when it actually rolls over, they get crushed, but everything from here down is gonna be safe.
Sounds like a good idea.
So this is actually going to be bolted to the floor. Big 3/16 plate gets welded on the bottom. And what this is it'll be bolted in 4 bolts on this side and that side. It'll be this high. And the seat belts, the 4-point harnesses, will be bolted on the bottom side of these. The web will come up and around the top and into the seat. So that way it'll give them the proper angle. If you hook it in down here, come up into the seat and then down, that's too steep of an angle, and it'll actually not be good. So you want this to be about 20 to 30 degrees coming in. So yeah, so 3.5 inches has to come off of this, and then weld on the bottom. Put that in.
What are you gonna do? Are you just gonna leave it raw steel?
No.
What are you doing with it? Painting it what? Black?
Probably the same color as the dash, which is going
That
to
you're
be
not gonna
surprise.
say what it is. So you don't want me to say it.
Freaking kick butt. Did you get that?
That was good timing.
That was awesome timing.
Yeah, I did something right.
So I am cutting off exactly the wrong amount. That is where it's going to land. So we'll still be able to get the material under here. We'll hook this to right here and right there and hook it to the floor. Just have to center it, and then the seat belts, when we put the seats back in, we'll center the bolts, come up through the seat, 4-point hitch. Awesome. Nate? I think it's gonna work. So, brake pedal arm. We didn't have, well, we had a brake pedal right here.
Oh, that's kind
Two
of
problems with this. Problem number one is it's too far up to lift your foot. You can do it. It's not uncomfortable for me. Jeff thought it was a little uncomfortable. But if we can put this on the back side, we gain almost 1.5 inches, but you don't have to lift your foot up. So that's number one. Number two, because of the steering column, this has to be further over than what we would like for the brake pedal. So, the steering column is way up in here. Down in here, it's not affected. So what I did is I made an offset brake pedal. This is literally stainless steel, very, very hard. I can't even bend it in the vise. So we're going to take this nut, cut it off after we get it to whatever point that we need it to. And we will have an offset brake pedal. And this will be welded to a substantial piece on this side, so again, that it's strong and won't bend. But this, I can't even bend in the brake. I mean, I cranked on it. So we should be good. Long and short, still a lot to do.
Show me your fancy little pedal cover.
Let's go in and, then the furnace turns off. So you can't just have this, right? So I made the pedal to actually fit a brake pedal cover to make it a little sporty. See, it says it right there, sport. Let's check this out. It's cool as hell.
Hi, Nate.
Sorry, put the lights and stuff away, yes?
Yeah, I can grab it in 2 seconds. All guys right here.
That's all I need.
Okay.
So Nate is painting. We media blasted. He's painting the buckets and bezels, but he got this cut in today, and it is slick. So that X is amber. That will be the blinker. These are fog lights. So when you're on the road, this is all legal. Then down below in the bumper, there's actually going to be another set of fog lights. So on the trail, if they want, they can really light it up. And then I had a pair of LED lights that we ordered actually for the P57 years ago. And they were black. We changed those to chrome. So I've had them here forever.
They were like, I don't know what they were, but
They'll work on this.
today's price, they'll work on this. Today's price is less than they were when I purchased them because LED headlights weren't readily available. We're looking more at height than anything. Is it high enough for you to?
I kind of just still. If you need.
That's better. Do you love building center consoles, Nate?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Have you ever built one before?
No. It's first.
All right. Look at that, slick as shit, dude.
Appreciate each and every one of you. Keep watching. This is going to be a legendary Dirty Willys. Don't Google that one. Bad. Keep watching. Out of here.